Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a fairly simple beginner's three-chord song from the southern states of America. It's a lullaby. I'm sure you'll know it. I'll sing it and then I'll go through the chords. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Papa's gonna buy you a diamond ring, and if that diamond ring turns brass, Papa's gonna buy you a looking glass, and if that looking glass gets broke, Papa's gonna buy you a billy goat, and if that billy goat don't pull, Papa's gonna buy you a cart and a bull, and if that cart and bull turned over, Papa's gonna buy you a dog called Rover, and if that dog called Rover won't bark, Papa's gonna buy you a Noah's Ark, and if that Noah's Ark goes down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Well, as I say, this is a fairly simple song. It's got three chords, but not the three chords you might usually expect, 1, 4 and 5. This is 1, 2 and 5. So in the key of F, I've started in the key of F. Chord 1 is obviously an F chord. One note higher would be a G, so it's a G minor. And then chord 5 would be a C7. I then change key, and I do that by playing chord 5 in the new key, which is G. So a D7 is chord 5. So now I'm playing a G chord, an A minor chord, and a D7. That's all there is to it. Just be careful you don't fall asleep while you're playing it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and you will enjoy singing it to a baby somewhere. Make sure you don't fall asleep at the same time. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.